Have you ever met someone in their 90s who is still sharp, active, and thriving? It almost feels like they've unlocked a secret to aging, one that keeps them energized while others slow down. Dr. James Chen, at 92 years old, is living proof that aging doesn't have to mean decline. Despite his age, he continues to run a successful medical practice in Boston's historic Beacon Hill, meeting patients bi-weekly and offering them the same level of care and insight he has for decades. Many of his patients have been with him for years, drawn not just to his medical expertise but to his unwavering vitality. People often come to him seeking complex solutions for longevity, hoping for a groundbreaking discovery or a miracle cure. But Dr. Chen, with a knowing smile, always reminds them, it's the simple daily habits that make the biggest difference, yet they're the most overlooked. His words carry weight, not just because of his credentials, but because he has lived by them and is proof of their power. With 65 years of medical experience, Dr. Chen has identified 4 key areas of the body that require consistent care to maintain energy, mobility, and overall well-being. By blending modern scientific research with time-tested wisdom, he has developed a practical approach that has not only allowed him to stay active, but has helped countless others lead longer, healthier lives. So, what are these powerful yet simple practices that can help you maintain your vitality for decades to come? Stay with us as we explore Dr. Chen's insights. Let's dive in. Dr. Chen firmly believes that a healthy, active life starts from the ground up, quite literally. Every morning, he begins his day by focusing on his feet, a practice that modern science continues to support. Research from Harvard Medical School confirms that proper foot care enhances blood circulation, potentially reducing cardiovascular risks by up to 35% in individuals aged 65 and older. Yet, despite their crucial role, feet are often overlooked. Our feet serve as the foundation of our bodies, yet they are often neglected, Dr. Chen emphasizes. He recalls a patient, John, in his 70s, who suffered from chronic fatigue and poor sleep, unaware that inadequate foot circulation was a major factor. After committing to a dedicated foot care routine for just 3 months, John experienced a remarkable improvement in his energy levels and sleep quality. Dr. Chen follows a simple yet effective foot care routine. He begins by cleansing his feet with warm water, never too hot, to soften the skin. Using circular motions, he gently cleans between the toes with a mild cleanser before thoroughly drying them to prevent fungal infections. To further promote circulation, he applies gentle thumb pressure during a massage, starting at the ball of the foot and working toward the heel. Studies from the Mayo Clinic highlight that consistent foot care not only improves balance but also lowers the risk of falls and boosts immune function. A study published in the Journal of Aging Research found that older adults who followed a proper foot care regimen experienced a 40% reduction in falls and improved mobility. Think of your feet as the roots of a tree, Dr. Chen explains. When the roots are strong and well-maintained, the entire tree flourishes. The same principle applies to our bodies. Healthy feet support a vibrant, active life. To maintain foot health, he recommends using exfoliating brushes, hydrating creams, and well-cushioned, comfortable footwear. These small yet powerful habits can make a world of difference in sustaining long-term mobility, stability, and overall well-being. Dr. Chen often surprises his patients by drawing attention to an area many overlook: underarm care. While most people think of armpits primarily in terms of body odor, Dr. Chen sees them as a powerful center for detoxification. The lymph nodes in this area serve as essential filtering stations for the immune system, he explains. This region, often underestimated, plays a vital role in maintaining overall health by facilitating lymphatic drainage and immune function. Backing this up, a recent study published in the Journal of Immunology found that proper underarm care can enhance lymphatic flow by up to 40%. Resulting in a stronger, more responsive immune system. Dr. Chen recalls a patient named Helen, a 73-year-old woman who struggled with frequent respiratory infections. Her energy levels were often low, and she found herself falling ill several times a year. After adopting Dr. Chen's recommended underarm care regimen, Helen not only saw a significant drop in infections, but also experienced renewed vitality and stamina. According to Dr. Chen, the process is both simple and highly effective. He begins with washing the underarm area using an unscented soap, massaging in gentle circular motions to stimulate lymphatic circulation. Afterward, it's essential to pat the area dry thoroughly, as lingering moisture can inhibit detoxification. One of the most impactful shifts Dr. Chen encourages is switching from conventional aluminum-based antiperspirants to natural alternatives like mineral salts, which allow the skin to breathe and detoxify more freely. To further boost lymphatic flow, he recommends incorporating a daily massage using upward strokes from the armpit toward the collarbone. This simple habit not only supports the immune system, but can also ease shoulder tension and improve overall energy levels. Most people don't realize how connected the armpits are to their overall vitality, Dr. Chen says with a smile. Caring for them isn't just about hygiene, it's about supporting your body's natural ability to cleanse and protect itself. Dr. Chen often emphasizes that true vitality comes from caring for the entire body, including areas that are frequently overlooked. One such area is the inner thighs, which play a crucial role in circulation and overall mobility. Many people neglect this region, unaware that it directly influences blood flow and even liver function. Research from Johns Hopkins University reveals that the femoral artery, located in the inner thighs, is responsible for 20% of the body's blood circulation. When this area is not properly cared for, circulation can become sluggish, potentially impacting organs and overall energy levels. To maintain optimal health, Dr. Chen stresses the importance of consistent cleansing with warm water and a gentle soap, ensuring the area is thoroughly dried to prevent irritation or chafing. However, beyond hygiene, movement is key to promoting better circulation. He recommends simple but effective exercises to stimulate blood flow and improve flexibility. One of his go-to techniques involves seated stretches, gently moving the knees apart and then back together, holding each position for 5 seconds. These subtle movements activate the muscles and encourage proper circulation, reducing stiffness and supporting long-term mobility. Dr. Chen's philosophy is clear. Small, consistent actions lead to significant transformations. By paying close attention to commonly neglected areas like the feet, underarms, and inner thighs, individuals can dramatically enhance their overall well-being. The journey to optimal health starts with the mindful choices we make each day, he reminds us. With these simple yet powerful practices, anyone can support their body's natural functions, improve circulation, and promote a longer, more active life. If you've made it this far, I truly appreciate your time and engagement. Your feedback is invaluable, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. On a scale from 1 to 10, how would you rate this video? Let us know in the comments along with any insights or suggestions you have. We're always striving to bring you the most relevant and impactful information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss our latest updates on health, longevity, and well-being. Thank you for being a part of this journey, and I look forward to connecting with you again soon.